Assalamu alaikum. Let's start for the crystal. Right now the crystal is many times get broke because this is a sensitive thing with the watch, so this is source of income. Now when someone break this crystal, he go immediately to the watches. Not many watches do the service for the crystal because some people they don't have experience. Now we need to make it very variable for everyone. For example, this one round symbol, we open it, and in other video we explain how we take the stamp. We take the stamp, we press it in the right place. Easy if we like to save the crystal, so we choose, this is compressor for the case opener, not expensive, maybe $15, $20, and we use one, it's bigger than the case, and one is smaller, and we press. When we press, the crystal is gone, so the crystal will be gone. Easy. So basically we put one is bigger than the case and one is smaller than the crystal. When we push, the law of Pascal, we divide the force, so we are not to break it, we take it out. So this is simple way to take the crystal, but sometimes they are glue, we have to heat it up and do some process to take it out. Now we have, this is caliber, and so we can measure it with millimeter. This 165, we bring crystal 165 and we replace it. It's very simple, and we put it back. Some of them we can press it because it has plastic, so it will be with pressure, or someone we have to glue it. We use the glue like this. I use that all the time. So this is very simple way. This is